Hi friends. Today I'm going to tell you about the Egyptian hotel Rixos Premium Seagate, which is located in Sharm El Sheikh. We have analyzed thousands of tourist reviews about this hotel, so we definitely have something to tell you. Let's go. First, as usual, a little general information about the hotel. The 5-star Rixos Seagate Hotel will capture your imagination from the very first minutes. As soon as you arrive here, you are instantly surrounded by care and top-notch service. Every corner of this hotel says you are in paradise. With its luxury and unrivaled luxury, the Rixos Premium Seagate makes you want to come back again and again. Without a doubt, this hotel cannot be overlooked. Chic territory, magnificent underwater world, the most exquisite dishes of different cuisines of the world await you here. And also the best shows, huge water parks, stunning outdoor gym. And this is just a small part of the advantages of this hotel. The great location allows you to get to the airport quickly and easily. The hotel is great for families and young couples alike. The hotel has a rating of 4.9 on Google, 9 on Bookings, and 5 on TripAdvisor exactly. You can find out the rate and book a room at this hotel by following the links in the description and in the pinned comment below this video. Friends, stay tuned, and I will tell you in detail about all the pros and cons of this hotel right now. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. The territory of Rixos Premium Seagate is very big and beautiful. Bright, luxurious palm trees, architectural structures, waterfalls. Everything is very exquisite and beautiful. For transportation, you can use special shuttles if you do not really want to walk. Everywhere reigns luxury and cleanliness. The hotel staff discreetly maintain order throughout the hotel. It is very beautiful here, as in paradise. The territory of the hotel is divided into the first and second line. The first line is more lively. There are a lot of different shows, events, discos, and the second line is quiet and peaceful. On the territory of Rixos Premium Seagate, there is an excellent water park for adults and children, as well as many pools. The only small minus is that the pools are not heated. Sometimes you wish the water was a little warmer. Stores, restaurants, spa, gym, and everything you need, you will find right on the property. All the amenities are here, so you won't even want to go outside the hotel. So for the territory of the hotel, Rixos Premium Seagate can be given a solid 5. The beach at Rixos Seagate is sandy and very spacious, and the coral reef here is fantastic. The underwater world surprises with a variety of fish and corals, which will make you admire the underwater kingdom for a long time. So be sure to bring a mask and snorkel for snorkeling. Despite the fact that the hotel is located on the first line, there is no sandy entrance to the sea. Constant low tides expose coral and make it impossible to swim from the shore. To enter the sea, there is a special long pier, so long that a shuttle even rides on it. The pier is divided into several zones. Shallow water zone and directly the zone for studying corals and underwater fauna of the Red Sea. The shallow area is great for kids and teens, but adults are often seen there as well. The fact that the pier is too long, I consider a disadvantage. You want to swim while you get to the sea, you will already change your mind. Also, to the small disadvantages of the beach can be attributed to the small number of deck chairs. They are not enough, and all because many visitors from the morning occupy towel chairs, and if you come later, you cannot find a place to settle down. So keep this in mind if you plan to spend your vacation here. As I said earlier, the hotel has quite a few a la carte restaurants where you can try authentic Turkish, Italian, French, Far Eastern, and Brazilian cuisine. Also, which is very important for me personally, there is a lot of seafood there. There is a special restaurant where you can try grilled dishes on the beach, so the choice of food here is very wide. The all-inclusive restaurant is also very good and liked by most visitors. However, some guests complain about the repetitive menu in the main restaurant. But if you already donate at the a la carte restaurants, there will be plenty of variety in the food. Tourists really like the restaurants. Everything is beautiful and luxurious. It is a pleasure to eat in such an environment. All rooms at the Rixos Premium Seagate have access to a balcony or terrace overlooking the pool or garden. Standard amenities include a flat-screen TV, safe and minibar, bathroom with shower and slippers. Unfortunately, visitors have quite a few complaints about the rooms. For example, poor noise insulation in the rooms, uncomfortable pillows and beds, the smell of dampness in the rooms. There were also complaints about cleaning, for example, badly smelling towels. There is no elevator in the buildings, so it will be hard for tourists with children to carry a stroller to the upper floors. Also, keep in mind that mosquitoes can be quite a lot. So I recommend stocking up on special mosquito repellents. Otherwise, you can ruin your vacation. Also note that in superior rooms, the entrance to the bathroom is without doors. So when you are in the bedroom, you can hear everything that happens in the toilet. I think this was a bad interior design idea. The staff all have a high ethic of respect and professionalism in their work. The staff is very friendly and helpful, trying their best to help with your problems. The staff at the front desk is very attentive and courteous. Also want to separately note the work of lifeguards on the water slides. They really do their job well. Keep it up. Entertainment in the Hotel Rixos Premium Seagate more than enough. Various shows, discos, guest artists, and musicians every day. You will definitely not be bored here. In addition, the hotel offers various sports, relaxing spa treatments, and massages, so I can responsibly assure you that the entertainment in the hotel is at the highest level. So feel free to book this hotel through our partner worldfamousbooking.com, and do not even think that you will be bored there. For children in Rixos Seagate Hotel, there are a lot of different entertainments. There is a children's club, water park, children's pools, slides, playgrounds, and a lot of different games with animators. I would like to mention the amazing kids club and playground where kids can run around during the day. Your little ones will definitely be satisfied. Well, friends, let's summarize. Hotel Rixos Seagate is a real 5-star hotel, and it is definitely worth visiting. There are, of course, minor flaws, but they are everywhere. If they are corrected, it would be just perfect. The territory of the hotel is very beautiful. I would say magnificent. Everything is very luxurious and exquisite. Wonderful cuisine, amazing entertainment for adults and children, excellent water park. Also, do not forget about the gorgeous coral reef. The hotel definitely deserves your attention. Friends, but the final choice is always up to you, and only you decide whether to fly on vacation to the Hotel Rixos Premium Seagate or not. And while you are thinking, I recommend you to watch also these videos about other Egyptian hotels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new videos. And this is my goodbye to you. See you in the new hotel.